If you're building Microsoft Power BI dashboards with data from Snowflake or Databricks, it can be a real headache to consistently enforce access controls across the data stores. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how TrustLogix automatically extends access controls from Snowflake or Databricks into Power BI, so your data stays secure from source to dashboard. Let's start by looking at a Power BI report of discounts given by customer type. A user named Nile is entitled to view 5 specific segments, so that's what he sees in his report. Let's take a look at how this is done. TrustLogix displays Nile's values for the customer segment attribute, which it has read from the data source. Nile is entitled to view data from 5 segments. We can change these values, and that changes which customer segments Nile sees in the report. Back in Power BI, Nile refreshes the report and sees an updated set of data that reflects his updated entitlements. Without TrustLogix, a SQL developer would need to code a SQL view to enforce these entitlements, and the developer would need to code and maintain a separate view for every other combination of entitlements. With TrustLogix, it's much simpler. The data owner creates a single policy that grants appropriate access to any user. This is attribute-based access control in action. Let's look at the access policy to see how easy it is to create. With just 2 visually defined conditions, the policy restricts user access to rows where the customer segment matches one of the customer segments in the user's attributes. There's something else cool going on here. With TrustLogix, you can deploy the same policy natively to both the data source and Power BI, ensuring access controls are always enforced on your data, including in data import mode. This not only saves a huge amount of developer effort, but also streamlines policy management. This powerful capability accelerates your analytics teams by enabling secure, maintainable data access from source to dashboard without developer overhead.